you can use there is no point. Then after base form of verb with the addition of ing, if the word need an object you can use, otherwise you can skip it. Okay, there is no point मतलब हंसने का कोई फायदा नहीं.
There is no point is laughing.
There is no point in
Laughing.
there is no point in
laughing.
पानी पीने का कोई फायदा नहीं.
There is no point in drinking water.
सोने का कोई फायदा नहीं.
There is no point in sleeping.
Sleeping. And बाजार जाने का कोई फायदा नहीं.
There is no point in going to market.
स्कूल जाने का कोई फायदा नहीं.
There is no point in going to school.
पढ़ाने का कोई फायदा नहीं.
There is no point in teach you.
इंग्लिश की बुक पढ़ने का कोई फायदा नहीं.
There is no point in reading to English book.
Reading English book. ग्रामर सीखने का कोई फायदा
There
नहीं.
is no point in
Learning
the grammar.
grammar. पंखा चलाने का कोई फायदा नहीं.
There is no point in starting the fan.
Starting the